ever pondered about the health of your liver? It's a question that may not cross your mind often, but it's of vital importance. Your liver is a silent workhorse, playing a crucial role in maintaining your overall health. It neutralizes chemicals entering your body, acting as a filter for toxins. Think of it as the body's personal detox center. However, this process can be hampered by the intake of certain medications like aspirin, paracetamol, and antibiotics. These are not harmless. They can put a strain on your liver, making it work harder than it should. Unhealthy lifestyle choices, such as consuming fatty foods and carbonated drinks, smoking, or drinking alcohol, also take a toll on this essential organ. So now that we've established the importance of liver health, the question arises, how can we help our liver recover? Let's delve into the steps. It all starts with what's on your plate. When it comes to the health of your liver, diet plays a pivotal role. For a healthy liver, it's essential to consume a balanced diet that's low in processed foods and high in fiber, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. But equally important is what you should avoid. Foods high in fat content, such as fatty meats and fish, whole milk and dairy products, can strain your liver. Soft breads and cakes, which are typically high in refined sugars, can also cause liver damage over time. Surprisingly, even certain types of produce like mushrooms should be consumed in moderation due to their potential for toxicity. And let's not forget the not-so-sweet impact of chocolate and carbonated drinks on your liver. So make a conscious effort to replace these foods with healthier alternatives. Remember, a healthy liver begins with a healthy diet. Sweat it out for your liver's sake. That's right, physical activity is a key player in maintaining a healthy liver. When you exercise, you're not just burning off those extra calories, you're also helping your liver function at its best. Physical activity enhances the liver's ability to filter toxins from the blood. It also helps to maintain a healthy weight, which is essential because obesity can lead to fatty liver disease, a condition where fat builds up in the liver, causing inflammation and damage. Now you might be asking, what kind of physical activities should I be doing? Well, the good news is, there's a wide range to choose from. Whether it's hitting the gym, going for a run, doing some gymnastics, or taking a dip in the pool, any form of physical activity is beneficial. Remember, it's not about pushing yourself to the limit. It's about finding a routine that you enjoy and sticking to it. Physical activity is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good, especially for your liver. Your lifestyle choices can make or break your liver health. This isn't just about diet and exercise, it's also about the habits that may be doing more harm than good. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, for instance, are known to cause significant damage to the liver. It's crucial, therefore, to consider quitting these habits, or at least reducing them to a minimum. But lifestyle changes alone may not be enough. That's where homeopathy medicine comes into play. Homeopathy, a natural form of medicine, has remedies that can support liver health. One such remedy is Cardus M, a milk thistle extract that's believed to protect and regenerate liver cells. Another is Lycopodium, derived from a type of club moss, known for its positive effects on digestion and liver function. Taking care of your liver doesn't necessarily mean a huge lifestyle overhaul. Sometimes it's the little changes that make the biggest difference. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. A healthy diet free from fatty foods and carbonated drinks coupled with regular physical activity can greatly benefit your liver. Lifestyle changes, such as quitting smoking and drinking alongside homeopathy medicine, can also aid this vital organ. Remember, your liver is a vital organ that needs your care and attention. Take the necessary steps today for a healthier tomorrow.